Hello, good afternoon. My name is Juan Benavides. I am 26 years old. I am from Bogota, Colombia. I live with my mom and sister in Bogota. I am travel agent. I am studying psychology. My hobby is listening to music and swing. My favorite TV show is The Simpsons. And my favorite sport is basketball. My family my mother is Albanidia Osorio, is 50 years old. She is trained. She is from the city Manizales, Colombia. My mother is tall, has light eye, and brown eyes. Then my sister is Daniela. She is 16 years old. She is in school in front the city of Bogota, Colombia. My sister is tall, has black hair and brown eyes, and my father is Alberto Benavides. He is 51 years old. He is mechanical engineer. He is from the city of Colombia. My father is brown, has black hair and brown eyes. My parents are separate. Thank you.